Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is not real work, just student work, still lives, study. Well, I have this image of as you see, 4x5 reversal film notch in this film shape. Well, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges. Well, this is my subject, and I want to try. Well, this subject looks like oil painting like, which I think goes well. Well, let's try something interesting, impressive image, hopefully. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna duplicate this base image, then start from here with oil paint brush. Well, since there is so much details, little ones around, I'm gonna go from oil paint detail now. Okay, almost done for smudging. Alright, we're gonna change the brush. Oil paint round, a little bit bigger size. The raw edge of the films. Okay, touch up details and overall image. Okay, now let's see. I may need some touch-ups later because we don't see the shadow details. Okay, now I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image. Turn on this. Now we see the details, outlines. I'm going to change this blend mode. Normal to, well, darken shows underneath, image underneath, and multiply, color burn. That's cool. Okay, linear burn. This is pretty good. Dark, lighten. This is interesting. Color leaves here. No details on the shadow side, huh? Okay, color dodge. Well, overlay. This is pretty nice. Overlay gets more effect. Nice. Kind of cartoonish. Vivid light, linear light, pin light. Light image. I kind of like this kind of blue. Well, we can make it as a illustration image from this luminosity. Well, I want to make just as a one layer this luminosity effect, luminosity 100%. Let's make this one first. Okay, select multiple, 1, 2, we are looking at 2 images. Yeah, so copy, duplicate layers, then merge down, merge selected to get this image. Okay, I'm gonna change name, luminosity effect. Done. This one is normal blend mode now. Then I'm gonna turn it off to keep it. Now, and also I have this main image. I'm gonna turn it off, this one too. Now we see this pencil drawing and image. I just used the oil paint brush to smudge it. Now I'm gonna keep on changing this blend mode of the pencil drawing type. which I like. This blue color, I like this. Yeah. Okay, this is another image. Select multiple again. This is hue this time. Then select this base image. Duplicate layers. Again, merge selected. Now I'm going to change the name. Hue effect. Done. Okay, we got this blue image. Now I'm going to turn it off again to keep it. Now, what else? Well, I'm going to change this blend mode to childlike overlay. This contrast is so impressive rather than more lighten up surroundings. Just touch, and also this image around here is nice. Well, just leave it this way, overlay 100%. Now we're gonna see this. Just turn it off, pencil drawing type, and also this base image. Turn it on, this hue effect image. That's this blue one image. I like this image, but I don't think I'm gonna use this now. Okay, turn it off this image. Then I wanna see this illustration type image now. Then I'm gonna see this overlay effect image. This is overlay effect image, both layers. Then let's see about this image though. Forget about this, and I wanna see this. It's now darkened, right? Let me see, change blend mode. This is interesting too. Pretty contrast, but this is kind of cool though. Look at this. Yeah, what do you think? Well, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is, yeah. Okay, let's keep this one as one of the variation. Just keep. I just saved one of the image as this. Now I want to check this image overlay now. I still like this luminosity effect image as an illustration. Well, how about create empty mask and then hide outside. Brush is, well, let's see, soft round size flow. Okay, change the brush dry media to Conte crayon. Let's see. Well, leave this, and let's see. Leave this one as it is, and duplicate layer. I just want to compare, so I'm gonna create, well, cut mask, then create empty mask. Now invert mask. Then I'm gonna turn this one off. Just cut mask. Without mask now, it's normal blend. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer. I would just want to double this image. So duplicate layer and change blend mode to multiply. We got so much colors in it, right? That's, I guess, too much. Do you think? Tone down just a touch, maybe 40. Yeah, a little bit more dark. Then let's see. Merge down. I still like this image. I will leave around here this pencil drawing type image. So I want some of this texture around. I want to use that as a paint. So what I'm gonna do is I want to combine this image some over this image. Like around here, that's what I like. Okay, now I'm going to select multiple 1 and 2 base image with base image with pencil drawing type image. Okay, we got to see the image first. Now I'm going to turn this image off. This is the base image I'm going to draw. So I turn it off. Now just want to keep this image as one layer to get some part of the image. So I select this one, select multiple with this base image to get one image, one layer. So I'm going to duplicate layers, merge, selected. We got one image. Bring this one, go up to over that. Well, let me turn this one off so we can see this one on. This is the image. Now all the images, I'm going to turn it off. Then we only see this image. This is the effect that I like. Then also I want some part using from this. So we create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I want to reveal this with soft round size flow. This one is pretty soft though. Now same time I want to add some color. Well, about this though, I was going to do some kind of oil paint texture. So painting to roughing brush. Yeah, let's see how it looks like. I want some oil paint like texture. Okay, I'm using a roughing brush now. Now I wanna, let's do it this way. Okay, I can add on this layer with oil paint flat. I'm gonna add some bluer color. Let's see, on dark side. Okay, mask density off. Then add on this base image. This is my first time to mix. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Now let's see. Smoothing. Oh, wait a minute. This is not brush. I want to use this oil paint brush. So I want to mix paint. Then mixing with this base image. That's right. That's what I want to do. Okay. Pick some color. I wonder if you guys can see this light paint. Pick some. Now I want to see this mask. This is a mask we're all looking at. Then I want to paint on this. Oops, with this oil paint brush. Okay. Now I painting and same time reveal this mask, right? So now I am painting on this. Wow, kind of confusing, huh? Now I'm painting. Then now I reveal brush, roughing brush. Okay, now we see this white area. I'm gonna add paint dark blue on this area. Then again, I'm gonna reveal. Yeah, now I got it. Reveal this shows more dark blue color. Then I'm gonna paint again darker blue. kind of interesting. Let's see, kind of messy look if I take this mask off. Or okay, tone down shows behind, or maybe just mask density up, then opacity of the base image off, so we see more. Oh, I got this luminosity effect image is gonna show up more. Yeah, because base image is too dark on compared to this luminosity effect layer. So I'm gonna tone down this about 40. Yeah, then let's see, review this with same brush, roughing brush to some very seed. Yeah, okay, I guess I got it. This mask 100%, but base image opacity goes to, depends, 30 or 40. Okay, I'm gonna continue to review this mask until the combination of this base image. Now let me finish up this. Now I'm there. Well, I guess this is it. Well, I have this image and this image, which is, this one is the base. Then I add some, take this mask off and the opacity onto 100. I add some colors on background, then using opacity 40%, then making mask outside with the texture in it with the roughing brush, then combine to this illustration type image, this pencil drawing type image, and also little interesting colors, luminosity effect. Well, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I saved the other, well, a little bit dark image too, and also this is some kind of illustration type image. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.